10 times said yes say asase wo adanse ho no ehu ene yenye ni nwuram. In fact ye kwakro from ensu a ehɔ ne servo oboase potem wo nyina treatment water no ho na ewo just about 10 meters to the place on your right hand side omo astati to Galamsey wo 10 meters away from the site. And now omo ye kono mo starting fanye ba ye ba no omakoto nchense iron sheets and omo de je say I see say a construction site and a construction site to a Galamsey site. But that's where we've got into. And Friday no say I don't know say Thursday no President Mahama Ekushia CS so no. It was just a charade. Nana Akufo-Addo president was saying na Mahama the policy on fighting Galamsey near Denya. President Mahama catch then President Mahama catch President Mahama Akufo-Addo say onon ya to abama no it you should fix it. Nene ya to abama ngana fa na won ya to abama wo. Won ya to abama so fix it. Afoko phrase here so say ababa 45 omoma meye dey take responsibility. E kan na abuofu. Ya kan na abuofu. Enti de akoso Galamsey no Kofi Bento can was say rather unfortunately he doesn't think we will ever win the war against Galamsey, which for me I disagree. We have to a daunting task, but we have to win the fight against Galamsey. And yes, idea near disappointing Madagana. We have to just at ending, but we have to. See you know Jack Asafin and they no be a person Mahama Akufo Abeshia. Would say now point this Kwamuka. I said they have done something better than the Akufo-Addo ye. They have forgotten say under President Mahama or fighting Galamsey when Timi Ofeli. Yand will be anka. Etine ebedi ehun komo. Asamba kwa esa wo so ba ne say MPP. What is the current status of MPP? You see matters arising and some no doson. Na ende wo panyi ba ko wa se no mo. Me de nam eja empanyin sem tina me ka se me benben kakra na fredua you see enam na ho brasi nti on se nipa bre no ho ase wa hwep ka se won se da nyini sa aha na ho brasi very accessible umusa nkwesi ma ne bunfu aha to one wo didi nkoma ti me ka se na fredua still na minim ni age but na minim di nkomo bia wo ka se 1991 no wo university na o invite them professor Dubahin na me say ma mentan se yi na say ma ya obone wanyina ne ho na efe na wa hwe ne ho so yi aha wa hwe ne ho si nti duru ba bi se ya na e wo se timi no mudi nkomo me de ma yi pa ne say adekrontia MPP delegates ye from delegates no e ho ni problem no they are not delegates. Constituency executive, police station executive, area coordinator, they are not delegates, but they call themselves delegates. Eti, you are delegated to say, they have not delegated you to go and select a leader. Sekamu humu say you have been delegated to go and canvass for vote to Jakabepe. But you see yourself as you've been delegated to go and select who becomes the constituency chairman, the regional and national to the flag bearer. Into mo nyina na mo twen say that day the beba. But see yourself say baby awo no una lead party no. You are representing the national chairman. Awo constituency ho. Awo police center ka mo ho ni saa dia ka beboa ye. Etimegiri say e bia ekwakwa e fa so identify ye ho asani rose no kakra e bia ye no na atochema and then the Nyamias say Partner Patriotic Institute. Eba beche say who we are as MPP. Se where nya say bia ura bwacheja akon. Where nya ubi ti say engineer community Japan. Where nya ubi ti say ura dambutwi. 110 woman. Why nya careful party identity one sure you may lose it. But before me and Sammy Bo Mudin, what titi one, what is a name be a running through one conversation, no selflessness and in Nemusa, patriotism and in Nemusa. Wodi pusko wa bi kakra bia na kwesika enti enana Fredu aba ye bedi nkomo ama ye hu say he for no. But party must be rebuilt. We must go back to our grassroots. We must go back to the basics. Na yenkodi enkomo na misre yemfa ibuma ye ho yen wodi boma wo ho odi ho a ena be hu obi a strength. But well mu nipa kro na hey over the people mu osuro kwa so be yinedi because you are suppressing the person, you are intimidating the person. Party be any Ghana papa chi the new patriotic party. They said ye ko school no ye ka say don't let the don't go through the school but let the school go through you. Say ye de ka no ye sremo mama ye hu de betima ye e de aboa party no party ni ya ni idea but time be say dey na partner ya mai dia sabi program mo fa chemi o MPP na me ado 31st January kwa kwato aba enipa beto aba ne yesem emu 20,000 ebebe 10,000
so aba ne wi ni so almost 7 million yenya
una vasa ye 1 million ye to aba ne 7 million yenya na 1 million no yankwache ejapade wo party nyina ebi what about says wo no mu deserve bi but you to make an say if I saw we could post 1 million and they say nyama wo party no say ba mu a empempan yen kene nyina ma party 1 million officers no. What about the 6 million other people now almost to about mine omo deserve one ye ni me ya ejapade no bit match am na akoso nipa 45 million so o my ganem sa na say ye no tinubu so benye ama bi so aba benye bi ama di da so no aba entino mumyantu abukakra before ye be ko no enne chema Wontumi atene general eko dwa na num fiada ne say wo man warning wa amade obekire say nye wonu ampo enne chema Wontumi ana papa woko police headquarters holo mo so muhia no because holo mo start investigations no entino time aso so mboso modene kokoto holo be ka che de say o charges ni nyame adoma eda say ishaye court banya attorney general menam ka say me feel me nkwa be me hu bi da say attorney general so obi mbra no moti the charges ni regard the right ye ready right anya mbra e wo he enne ye kosia the headquarters me ko bi lawyer for akwabo ekoi lawyer and appear could be people be bring lawyer for ekoi ma let me commend the Ghana Police Service and they perfect omu bi edim komo say the na hard work and say and next coincidentally no former attorney general lawyer Godfredami and then Japan the asama tolo so emono ko police station there nipa lawyer former akwa about 70 and now mudi lawyer Godfredami yes and then I was there na police station headquarters na ador nipa doors nti virtually they over where am guys adia obi anko nachi na obi anko abonti no mu wia na oma aba na nipa no bi ntiase but I tend to agree with the police say nipa na door so hall my security agent no eso mutimi control enti menoka say ya match ba Wontumi bail chaba Wontumi there for the past 5 months there yes am man bill 5 times so and then the man bill 1 million yoko for man bill 50 million previously no see before now some man 2 different bills or you know was satisfied and then there 1 million with 2 sureties to not to justify but 2 sureties and a year nyame admit na almost anopa 8:30 the chaba Wontumi ebe court so chaba Wontumi will have his day in court tomorrow for us that's the best thing so that not to obey no to etwa ye di go see a court for every jamu almost so ya ba ko to do say uprooting trees yes what to nu ya and I'm say chama would na no yes what to nu ya yes ba ko ni charges yes ba ko say illegal mining ba ko say wa uproot ewia abra on famra kwan so anti say to nu ya dia and ha dwe pa very interesting but you see the age and say asase a almost say chama Wontumi Galamsey ho no chama Wontumi for the past 3 years we see asase no so da omunya adwuma wo ho no mo da evidence beard I can put it on record say there's no single evidence now assuming without admitting say evidence wo say for the past 2 years chama Wontumi Galamsey ho no and am obey match no imagine fidie nyina me pacho ho ye Numuri forest na western north me pacho Numuri forest no ebi obole bamboya na say you to Galamsey ho we forest ebi wasi akwa ebi wa obwase enti adam ye to ebi akotia adam ye to Galamsey all these areas na we forest in the ho asempa ne yeka chaba wontu ne atu ne ese so you see they just want to sacrifice him but tete no mameka se bi nkyira mo tete no na ye say ohimpo bi free mu a ye di ni pagya ne kwan no na nya busu bia na di obi gya ne kwan yo na ni onya busa won ton a wo free mu ansa na ye di wa ko gya ne kwan chaba wontu wo ye sacrifice na enyeyi so stop it emwa MPP for bi so amosha ase na mo ye takra woje mu no mo tambe so emwa obi ka how meko ena no aye teacher ma Wontumi ewe yoko MPP general secretary Okasawa movement television morning wodi kwakode me ye sa interview no Justin Kodua operase mo nya ho asa na meka ba me so go betima ka che me se oni obi okasa basa o kasa boko eda no Kodua ka che ye se ya teacher ma Wontumi na that onerous bill producers was satisfied Kodua na mote ho penten kwase opese oboa ne ye teacher ma Wontumi MPP for B penifo bi timi fe MPP general secretary say na wo no teacher ma Wontumi ne sika no le di ye na wo ha ho aye den yet omo japa ekoye sansa fo no wo work no frata fie me work no frata na make no me just so siami obi obekai me and I don't need so be who me na say bibi sa hu nya but at that japa koye sajam no I do win it's not proper and you have to speak against it me can want some kind of MP before me before be one be send the message no say motobo no mo obeta so minister 7 years e dey no ye ma sa kasa ne keka do no ye man na wuni na me say me I don't need to know him I don't need to benefit from him directly seven wa amwa me a e dey obo bi e ko ba ko obo ala ko bi wa madamfo na one day the filoso be ko obi so wuni be 2 months down the lane how much ya chebe did I ever envisage say me be chebe I never envisaged that day but it came to pass
They say yes and so
they say yes for so far what do you as I never envisaged that until no we each other's keeper yo asam to obi a hu ne se wunu na asam ato no ne ka bi